So as we said, like it's not completed, so we will like lose our hair.
Yeah, we're gonna go bald.
Yeah.
Let's see how that'll go.
Yeah.
Assalamu alaikum, hello everyone, welcome back to the video. This is part 2 of the Umrah trip. We are gonna start from where we left off in the last video, which was right before the Umrah. I only recorded a few clips inside the mosque as a form of respect, but still, I hope you can enjoy it. Assalamu alaikum everybody. We just got done with Umrah. It was an amazing experience.
Like we didn't do the whole, we didn't complete. Okay.
We haven't done Safa Marwa yet. We're going to do it in a bit. We're just resting because it was a really tiring experience. Not saying that's bad, but I can't really put it into words. It's such a spiritual experience. You can only experience it when you come here. Unfortunately, the people were a bit aggressive, so that's the only downside. That's the only downside to it. But other than that, it was amazing. Bali Bhai is my brother-in-law. I wanted to ask his experience as well. Bali Bhai, can you put it into a few words?
Well, as you said, it was like a spiritual, nice experience with a lot of people. Like, okay, as you said, we haven't completed it yet. So,
Yeah.
but, we did it in the right time because we did it just before, like we did it after, like Fajr.
Exactly.
So, but before, no sunrise. Like
Yeah.
I mean, the sunrise was already there, but before it got like really hot.
Exactly. So if you're coming in, like doing Umrah, go on Fajr time, Fajr prayer time, because it's not hot. And when you're done, by the time you're done with Umrah, it'll start getting hot, but it won't be hot before that. So Fajr time is the time to go.
Exactly. Yeah. So as we said, like it's not completed, so we will like lose our hair.
Yeah, we're gonna go bald.
Yeah.
Let's see how that'll go.
Yeah.
Okay, that'll be it for now. I'll keep you guys updated. Bye. Allah Hafiz. This is Safa. This is Safa right now. By the way, we're gonna reach Marwa very soon. Hello everyone. I'm not sure if you can tell, but I'm exhausted. The sun is it's so sunny. I don't even know if you can see me. I can't see you because it's so bright. I'm exhausted. That was undoubtedly the hardest thing I've ever done. I'm too tired to speak. I don't know if you can tell. I'll continue in a bit. Wait. We did the Umrah barefoot, so that might have been the reason it was so hard. The Safa to Marwa was kinda the thing that killed me. Like really one of the hardest things I've done. One of the best things I've done as well. I know it might seem like I'm nagging, like throwing a tantrum or something, but even though it was super hard, it is still an amazing experience. One I will never forget. I will never forget. I recommend or like and pray that every Muslim does it once in their lives. My Umrah is almost done. Now I only have to go bald, which I'm kind of excited about, honestly. So only that's left right now. So wish me luck. It's super hot right now. I don't know how much. It's like humid. It's super hot. Anyway, also look at the mountains behind me. It's very pretty, gorgeous views. Okay, only me going bald is left. So hopefully that'll go well. Okay, now we're gonna go to the barber shop. I'll hopefully be able to. Hopefully this not that much of a crowd there, so I'll be able to make a video of me going bald. Well, if not, it's just how it is. I'll show a video of me and Wali Bhai, like a before and after, like us with hair and then without hair. He's going bald as well. We were thinking of cutting our hair at the shop, 30 degrees barber shop, but we decided the line was too long and it's too hot to wait in this heat, so we are going to. I actually have no idea what we're gonna do. I think we're gonna find another barber shop, maybe. Hopefully, let's see. Look at all the birds. People are feeding the pigeons here. Neat. Okay, so unfortunately the bus couldn't get here. Apparently we were in a different area, so we have now hired a taxi, which was expensive, but it was really needed because we were desperate. It's too hot. We're fasting and it's just all around uncomfortable, so that's why we just want to get to the hotel as soon as possible. And yeah, so we hired the taxi and we're getting to the hotel now. Alhamdulillah, the Umrah went well and we were able to perform it without any major issues. And yeah, that'll be it for part 2. Inshallah, I'll upload part 3 very soon, where we'll explore Makkah. So stay tuned, don't forget to subscribe, like, and the boring stuff, and that'll be it. Allah Hafiz, peace.